Hey YouTubers, so we've got a 2006 Peugeot Partner. It's a diesel variety with an RHY engine in it. What we're going to be doing is giving it an AC regas. Customer complaint is that it's gradually got warmer and warmer when he puts the AC on. So let's see what we can do. So I've got it set up. The AC on. Max. Go that way with it. And we are sitting. Oh, are we? (24.5 degrees). I was going. That's not where you want your AC to be. Let's check that that's actually kicking in. On one, so we can hear what we're doing. That's off. Hear the change in the engine note, and you can hear the compressor kicking in. Let's set up the machine and see what we get. So on these HDIs, your charging ports, one there and one there, so your high and your low. Partner, it's an 06 and it's a RHY. This will be the 2 litre diesel, 06. That's the RHY. Connect the pipes up, see if I can do it one hand. Go for the high pressure first. See if we can get in here. It's high pressure. Should have enough room there for the low pressure pipe. Hopefully. Just got to get the angle right. Okay. So this is just going to do is lock in. I'll come back when it's done that. It takes a couple of minutes. It's done its lock-in test. Once just open up the valves. So screw the valves down to open them. I think this should be 730 grams. It has some pressure in there. Let's see what it's going to extract from it. Yeah, just turn the radio off. Sometimes YouTube doesn't like it. Copyright, etc., etc. So 210. I was a bit optimistic, I think. Let's do its thing, and then we'll come back for the next stage. So on 210. I think that's your lot.com. So next thing it's going to do is pull down a vacuum. So it's still seeing if it can get any more refrigerant out of it. Now it's just started to pull down its vacuum. It's going to hold it about 1 bar. 4. Oh, we've got 24 minutes. So let's come back in 23 and a bit minutes. So 3.5 minutes to go. Holding its vacuum nice. So it's gassed up, just going to do an operation control now. What's the ambient? It's about 24 in it today. 25. That's reading. There we go, starting to come down. I'm just talking to the camera. So 3 minutes left. Just over 2 on the low side and just over 11 on the high side. See what we're doing in the car. Certainly an improvement there. That's happier. Coming right down now. And we're just sitting 8 degrees. It's still coming down slowly. It's going to be a massive improvement for the customer. So the high side's right, low side's right. Alright, so below 8, so we can stop it. Gonna close the valves. So disconnected, just need to put in the reg number and it'll print out its little ticket for the customer, but it's as simple as that, really straightforward job. Just a short video on how to do the AC regas on the little Peugeot Partner 2006, the RHY 2-litre diesel engine variety. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. Hit the like, hit the bell to get notified of new videos as and when they come out, and please leave your comments and questions in the box below. Thanks for watching.